I know his game. We play each other all the time, so it's just finding my bearings, and then from I found my bearings, it's all good.
What's it like to be back in winner's circle? I think the last time you played, I'm not too certain you won your last thing-along match.
No, I withdrew from that one.
Right.
So yeah, I played him 2 months ago at Ligani Club, and I won that one. Same old.
Coming into this match, I wasn't the fittest, but we go out there, give the best effort at all times. I think as the set progressed, the legs started getting a little heavier, and he took advantage of that and pushed. There were a few good rallies that he came out on top of, and in the events in the long run scraped the first set.
What do you think you could have done technically to negate the fact that you weren't as fit? You think that you maybe could have served bigger, took some chances off the ground?
Yes, definitely. There were a few rushed shots and some untimely errors at some crucial points. But back to the drawing board.
This is actually the 10th time I'm playing Roddy. Majority of them have been in finals, similar environments like this. So neither of us are a stranger to this kind of atmosphere, this kind of tension, the importance of this kind of match. But I woke up feeling pretty confident this morning, to tell you the truth. I knew what my game plan was. Lost a close one to Roddy earlier in the year, so I kind of used that learning experience to understand what kind of changes I need to make in a match to pull it off against Roddy, because he's really one of the toughest players on the tour in Class 2 to get past.
It was a decent match. He started off very strong in the first set. Got it to 5-2, and then I was able to make it back up to 5-all, 6-all, and it was a back and forth tiebreaker till he got to at 7-5 in the final. Second set, little bit demotivated and was missing a few putaways at the net and volleys, which of course I have to go and work on. But all in all, as usual, for him, a well-deserved victory, and it being I think it's the penultimate series, I have another opportunity to see him again in the finals.